Cyclone Idai has swept through Mozambique, Malawi and Zimbabwe, leaving behind a trail of destruction. More than 480 people are confirmed dead and 400,000 have lost their homes. Houses, roads and bridges have been ripped apart and agricultural land is completely submerged. Millions of people have already been affected and the full scale of the disaster is still unfolding as search and rescue operations continue and more heavy rain is predicted. This may become one of the worst weather-related disasters on record in the Southern Hemisphere. DEC members are working closely with national partners on the ground to deliver aid, including shelter, food and water. And the Disasters Emergency Committee in Wales is collecting money to help member charities deliver life-saving assistance in all the affected countries. People need help now. Please give what you can by visiting dec.org.uk or dial 0370 6060 610. Or to donate £5, text HELPY to 70000. Thank you.